Welcome to another brand new episode of Cop Cam Chronicles, where we dive into the craziest police videos you've ever seen. We hope our videos can educate everyone and show you folks what not to do when encountering the police. In today's video, we have these pit maneuvers done well by trained officers. Surprisingly, these suspects survived, but the real question is, will they comply? Or will they disobey and put themselves in a more dangerous situation? Now, before we watch these videos, there might be scenes that are too sensitive for select audiences. With that being said, let's get into it. For our first video, officers from the Glendale Police Department located a stolen Volkswagen along the Port Washington Road in Wisconsin. It was reported that there were 4 suspects inside the stolen vehicle, both male and female. Let's see how this intense chase goes. We can see how intense this chase is. You can see the patrol car at the front is swiveling across multiple lanes to catch up to the crooks.
Driver's got more cat on.
Stop up ahead. Alright, it's going in the wrong lane of traffic at Hampton. And looks like they're going to bail.
Seems like the suspect is heading into the opposite direction. Now the officer follows, keeping a close eye on them.
Lost a tire. It's losing tires. It's going to bail.
There's the suspect. Let's see if the officers can catch him.
Northbound Port. It's going to go east. East on Marne. East on Marne. It's losing it. East on Marne. It's got no tire. East on Marne past Iroquois. Which fish bag. Plates Adam Mary Edward the 6. It's occupied 4 times. Come up to Liddell.
Good thing there's no traffic in this part of the neighborhood, or things would definitely turn out differently.
Slowing down here. We're gonna go southbound on Liddell, south on Liddell now.
Oh, that was definitely a close one with that van.
In the 4800 block of Liddell, still going, coming up to Hampton.
68, get in front and get him.
Yep, we're southbound. 716, we're going to mutual aid from Whiteman Bay, Sherwood. We're southbound on Esterbrook Parkway, southbound on
The officer is now close to the suspect. Could a successful pit maneuver put an end to this chase?
Traffic. Medium traffic here. They are taking lead.
Alright, I'll call it. We're south.
There's the other patrol car from earlier. This is going to be intense.
68 lead, so pit is imminent here. No traffic.
On the way, we'll be at Capital.
Alright, still, here comes the pit. Here comes
Here it goes. 1, 2, 3.
the park, and they're going to be bailing here.
Damn it. That was close, and now the suspect is taking it off-road to avoid the PD.
114 Wayne, where are we doing mutual aid?
Good luck driving around this grassy terrain. Hopefully the officers will be able to catch him now.
Get him right there. Alright, we're still northbound on the sidewalk in front of the park here.
There's the suspect again.
Hampton squads coming out onto Hampton.
Still northbound. Still northbound. We're gonna come out on a Hampton. 768 is losing a lot.
Here comes the pit maneuver 1, 2, 3.
That bull.
768, crash, Hampton.
Got him finally.
Watch your crossfire! Crossfire! You keep your hands up! Keep them there! We see your hands! Drive like this! Why you drive like that? Drive like that! Yeah.
For our second video, Cobb County police officers located a stolen vehicle driven by an armed robbery suspect. The chase began when the suspect attempted to rob an establishment and used the stolen pickup truck as a means of escape. However, the suspect was driven by his emotions by the end of this chase. Let's see how it happened.
See if that's it. Oh, it's like a 12 or down behind us.
1213, so you're behind me, you want to go to places?
Yeah, definitely. He does not stop me.
This suspect is really brave driving with no care in a heavily trafficked area. Did he not think the police would follow him? Look at him swerving in and out of lanes to avoid that patrol car. Smart enough to avoid the police, are you?
For heavy traffic on the right shoulder, 80 miles an hour. Get off of Windy Hill.
The officer is definitely speeding ahead now. Let's see what happens next. What a successful pit maneuver. The officer did a great job on his first attempt.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Hey, put that thing down! Put it down! Put it down! Put it down! Put it down! Put the knife down! Put it down! Put the knife down! Put the knife down! Put it down! Put it down! Put it down! Hey, we need less lethal.
Put the knife down for me, pal. I need you to put the knife down.
Here, this is it.
All right, let's.
This non-lethal shotgun always comes in handy for situations like this.
Step out of the car with your hands in the air.
Come on!
Keep your hands in the air. Step out.
Come on! I got
Step
it!
out of the car.
I got it! I got it! I got it! Throw him out! Throw him out! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Get on the ground!
Get on the ground!
Get on the ground
Get on the ground!
now. Put your hands out to your side and do not move.
Hey,
Put your hands out.
Finally, the suspect complied and stayed on the ground.
All right, moving. Do not move! Do not move! Do not move!
Oh, he's crying? Not so tough now, are you?
Clear the car. Custody. Yeah, he's in custody. All right, let's roll him. I got it. I got gloves on. Stay there. Those Mercedes kids. Yeah.
Man, why y'all do that to me, man? I was just wanting to get away, man.
I just wanted to get away, he said. Is he nuts? If he didn't steal the truck in the first place, this wouldn't have happened.
And we'll go from there, okay?
Another successful arrest. Good job to all of the officers. If you love shocking police interaction videos like this, you can show us your support by subscribing to our growing channel. Also, do us a favor and ring that bell icon to get notified for updates too. We'll see you around next time here at Cop Cam Chronicles.